Hey, it's Jeff Chastain from MASC by Jeff Chastain, creator of the one and only hair and beard straightener, Crucial Bar. I've been getting questions about growth patterns like cowlicks, swirls with the beard. My beard, for example, these hairs grow this way and then the top hairs grow this way. So what I try to do to get these ones that always want to curl out is sometimes I will hit those first if they're kind of on the longer side, and that'll make that lie down nicely, and then I do the top here. So if you're having some like issues with the underneath hair, that's the best way to deal with that. So first off, I'm gonna put in a little bit of the Glory Hold hair and beard sculpting paste. Just a little bit in there, all around, and that's just gonna give it a little bit more texture to grab onto with the brush. And like always, I'm brushing the hair on the slower side because you can do fewer brushes with it slower. So underneath here, I'm just gonna take this hair, go right against the skin. Don't mind the steam, that's just the product. It's not smoke, so there's nothing to worry about. And then once I get all this underneath hair lying flat where I want to, then I'll go and just do the top hairs really quick. Top ones are easier. Also, the more you use your Crucial Bar, the more trained the hair gets to straighten out, and it'll straighten a lot easier for you too. You can see mine goes, I use this every day now, so mine straightens out with hardly any effort at all. When I'm doing it too, I'll sort of hold my hair on the beard down towards my skin as it cools down, and that'll let it lay down nice and flat without getting any flips, any flyaways there. You kind of want to hold it into place until it cools down to normal temperature, then let it go. And you can see that makes it really nice and straight. The front hairs here are usually the easiest. You don't have to fight with those too hard. But everybody has a side also that's easier to do than the other, because like your hair, we get cowlicks on one side, we might not have them on the other, or our growth patterns will have the hair growing in one direction on one side, the other direction on the other side. So whatever direction yours is, you have to brush it the opposite way. So on this side, my hairs want to go out more this way, so I'll just go straight down. But on this side, they want to curl out almost at a diagonal. So with this side, I actually have to brush it more at a diagonal than I do on my left side. And like I did with the other side and the underneath of my beard, I'll heat it up and then I'll kind of keep it close to my face as it cools down, and that'll make it so that it doesn't get all those little flyaways too afterwards. So I'll let it cool down in shape. Then I'm just gonna use a little bit more of the paste. Keep it in place. And this way, it'll last all day too. Looks good. If you have any questions, especially about unruly underneath hairs, you can always DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Show me a picture of your beard and I can help you get the best results that you can out of using your Crucial Bar too. But hopefully this video helps. Have a good day.